In this video, I'm going to go through question 3 of my tricky parts per notation questions. Question 3 reads, top 1 metre of a 10 by 40 metre garden in the UK contains an average 2 kilograms of uranium. What is the concentration of uranium in W/V parts per million? So the best way to start this question is by writing out the parts per million equation for W/V. This equation is, so in terms of uranium, is W uranium over V garden times 1 times 10 to the 6, and 1 times 10 to the 6, remember, is equal to a million, which is equal to question mark ppm. Now we can work out the volume of the garden from the dimensions we've been given. So V garden is equal to 1 times 10 times 40, which is equal to 400 meters cubed. And then we can use this for our V garden, but we need to know what units this ratio W/V over V garden needs to be for the parts per notation. Now, the accepted standard for the parts per notation for W/V is grams per centimeter cubed, or any units that are equivalent. So an equivalent unit to grams per centimeter cubed would be kilograms per decimeter cubed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the volume of this garden into decimeter units rather than meter cubed units. So 400 meters cubed, now there's going to be more decimeters than meters because decimeters are smaller than a meter. So we need to times the meters cubed by 1,000. And this means that the volume of our garden is 4 times 10 to the power of 5 decimeters cubed. Now, the weight of the uranium, the mass of uranium, weight is an error because weight refers to a force, whereas mass refers to how heavy something is. So this mass needs to be in kilograms, which it already is in the question. It's 2 kilograms. So we know that our WU is equal to 2 kilograms. So now all we need to do is enter our WU and V garden into the equation to work out what our concentration of uranium would be in parts per million. So 2 divided by 4 times 10 to the 5 times a million, which is 1 times 10 to the 6, is, so I can put this in my calculator, 2 divided by 4 times 10 to the 5 times 1 times 10 to the 6 is equal to 5 parts per million. And this answers our question.